As this government heads into its final year in this parliamentary term, we are calling on them to use the opportunity of having a year ahead of the election to really take some focused and concerted action to try and drive down the levels of alcohol harm that we've seen increasing in Scotland over the last 4 years. So along with over 60 other organisations across Scotland, we have come together to set out essentially a roadmap for the Scottish Government focused specifically on trying to drive down the levels of alcohol-specific deaths that we have seen increasing year on year since the pandemic. We're now back at levels of alcohol-specific deaths that we haven't seen in Scotland for over 8 years, and it's really concerning, and it's having an effect on communities across the whole of Scotland. There's some measures that can be taken, we think, pretty immediately to specifically target reducing those alcohol deaths. One of the ones that we believe is most important is trying to increase access to easy, non-invasive liver scans. We know that the vast majority of deaths from an alcohol-specific cause are from liver disease. We know that liver disease can go undetected right up until it's doing serious damage to somebody's health. So that's contributing hugely to the high levels of deaths that we're seeing. There's some really simple solutions to that, like embedding non-invasive liver scans into community settings, and there are some examples of that already happening in Scotland, where they're able to identify people with liver damage before they necessarily have any obvious symptoms. And the purpose of that is to try and detect that at a much earlier stage and intervene so that you're getting people the right support when they need it, to prevent them progressing into much worse health and to prevent any future deaths from alcohol.